Something is wrong in the internet. People are watching Jcb Ki Khudai. What it actually is, it's a truck, or you can say a bulldozer who digs, and they just from the digging they build a hole, and from that they can build some towers. And you know what? People are actually watching videos of Jcb Ki Khudai, and it has crossed 4 million views, and it is also trending on Twitter. And this is the video which actually people are watching. What they are watching? Watch it right now. Did you enjoy it? Watching like 10 to 15 seconds of this? People are watching this and they have crossed 4 million of views on the YouTube platform, and it is also trending on Twitter. And if you go and look for that, Sunny Leone on her Twitter page, career change, lol. It is actually showing that Sunny Leone has taken picture with JCB tractor, and it is on social media on Twitter, and people are going crazy, and people have tweeted like 1.2k, and they have also retweeted that, and 27k are actually loving that photo. That is really shit going on the internet. They forgot that another video which is satisfying video which you can watch and actually satisfy yourself, not just looking at someone is using JCB stunt and watching it. So this is going on shit on the internet, and I'm not here to show you this kind of videos because I really don't think that this kind of a crackhead people are there actually watching the video online. So that's going on so bad. If you go and see cat tractor, if you don't know what cat tractor is, this is the tractor which is used in outside of India, but they are not trending. But JCB tractor inside India are actually ranking, and people are watching. So I can't say anything that Indian minds are so screwed up that they are watching someone digging, and that's about it. And they feel like it has been satisfying video and so on and so forth. So sad to share this news with you, and that's all. Can't say anything else.